We are not your average family. My name is Rachel. You know me as Yoga Girl. This is my husband, Dennis, and this little ray of sunshine is our baby girl, Lea Luna. We live in the Caribbean island of Aruba. Welcome to our channel. Hi, you guys! Welcome to our house. Can you say hello? No! Welcome to our house, you guys. Let me grab that. Today we are gonna give you a house tour, which is something we've never done before. And we have a pretty cranky baby and a cranky daddy. So this is gonna be an interesting tour for sure. Moringa, you want moringa? Take it. Wow! So this is the outside of our house. We actually have a... I don't think Lucy likes that. Yeah? Here you go. We actually have a gate around the outside of our house. So once you enter the gate, this is kind of the front. Here you go. Yeah. Lucy loves moringa. It's her favorite. So we have Lucy and Penny. They live right here. They have a pen that wraps around this part of the house. Hey, Penny. You hiding over there? Hey, Lucy. It's hot as hell in Aruba. I'm sure you guys know. And we have a lot of cactus that grow around the house. We have some plants and stuff. Do you want to give like a little front of the house tour?
Not really.
Do it. What do you mean?
This is the front of the house. That's the front of the house.
Okay, you officially suck. Hey, do you want to go on the floor? Here. Here. Wow.
Bye-bye. Come on. Come. Oh, what's wrong?
Hey, come, let's walk. Okay, so we enter our house right here. Normally, we don't have this giant thing on the wall, but this is our 23 days of teacher training coming up. And I'm gonna just move on from there. And this is our place. So we have our living kind of dining area right here. That's Ringo. And this is where we spend most of our time. So the baby literally just had lunch, so it's a little messy. Oh, are you heavy girl? Yay.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, we can't watch Peppa Pig right now. So this is our dining area. How long have we lived here?
2013.
Do you want to show everyone your room? Lea Luna, you want to show everyone your room?
No.
Kom! Var är ditt rum någonstans? Ska vi visa ditt rum? Var är Lea Lunas rum? Follow daddy. Billy! This is her doll, Billy. Do you want to take Billy to your room?
True.
Oh my god.
True.
This is...
True.
Yay! This is already a shit show. But anyways, our kitchen is right here. I'm not gonna show you guys our fridge because it's a ginormous disaster. But we do all of our cooking in here. We spend a ton of time in here. I'll show you the outside of our fridge. This is us when we were super tiny little babies. Like I was 20 or 21 and Dennis was 23. Look at that. Okay, so this room, like I normally cover it with this very professional curtain. We call this the pantry because it's like our fake pantry. And it's fake because we have food and stuff here, and then we have like cleaning products and stuff here, and then a washer and dryer right here, and a baby always trying to escape. Where are you going? Let's go to your room. Come. Come, go to Papa. And this is the very special Peppa Pig stickers collection. All right, so from the entrance, this is the crocodile. Up. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, see you later. So this is the baby's room. Oh man.
Whose room is this? Yeah.
Lea Luna. Luna.
Lea Luna. Where did Lea Luna go? Peekaboo! Where is Loonies? Peekaboo! So the baby really loves her room. She has all her toys here. If she has a bad night here, we, aka Daddy, sleeps there. And this is her bed. And she has a couple crystals to help her sleep. And this little toy, the Christmas mouse, julmusen, we have had, or I have had since I was 1 year old. Press it. Come that. It's missing a battery.
That's a shame.
What does the monkey say? Moving on from the baby's room. She has a bathroom in here that we literally never use.
Yeah.
Yet. But it looks like that, but no one is ever in here. And right here is where Penny! All right, moving on from here, we're gonna show you guys our guest bathroom, another bathroom that very rarely is used. It's not very fancy.
Echoey.
It's echoey. Yeah, if we have like dinner parties and stuff, this is the bathroom people use. Very exciting. Okay, so moving from here, we're gonna show you guys our bedroom. And it looks like this. I semi-made the bed today for it to not look so shitty. But this is our room. We have this comfy reading corner slash the baby's favorite chair ever. Slash the dogs sit in here. And out here we have our outside bathroom. Oh, what do you have there? Stenar for Mama Dan.
Yeah.
Those are crystals, baby. You have to be fläkten. Yeah, the fan. So this is my jewelry corner, and it's kind of crazy and insane. But I can show you guys anyway. I keep earrings here and here and also here. I feel like this is embarrassing. I use a crazy amount of earrings, actually. I love wearing like jeans and a t-shirt and putting on super crazy, fancy, blingy earrings. And I love hoops. I just recently organized this. And then here I have my feathers. I keep bracelets kind of here, cuffs and stuff hang here. And then I have my favorite necklaces. And here I keep crystal necklaces. They hang off of this spot right here. And rings. And more rings. And more rings. And more rings. I'm kind of ring obsessed. Some chokers and more necklaces. And the baby came home with this from daycare. I don't think she made this herself. But it's very cute. And this is my sacred crystal necklace box. I want to say that that's it, but it's not, because I keep some of my mala beads, like the ones I use pretty much daily or weekly here. Bigger necklaces and stuff there. I have more necklaces hiding here. And then way down here, I keep like all my bracelets, my beaded bracelets and stuff like that. And these are my ankle bracelets, or what do you call them? Anklets, I guess. Do you think I need more jewelry?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to buy me some more jewelry?
No.
No? I have a lot of jewelry. Baby, come here. Oh man, she's doing something super naughty now. Wow. It's still intact. For Mama Dan?
No.
Come on, baby, give it to me.
No.
Okay. Hey, guys. Back to this room. This is my altar. I won't show too much of that, but this is my all-time favorite room of the entire house, and it's our outdoor bathroom. This literally is like a dream come true, the fact that we have this place. It's been raining like crazy, so everything is really wet right now. But it's kind of beautiful to lie here even when it's raining. Like if it's, you know, it gets a little cooler outside. I take a bath in here every single day. The baby is in here at some point every single day. So it's our favorite place. Okay, I think we're gonna show you guys the most embarrassing room. Oh!
Or the
bathroom.
Where the magic happens.
What magic happens in here?
The dumping.
I feel like we chose the worst possible day to do this house tour. The baby is so cranky right now. Anyway, here is our bathroom. Dennis says this is where the magic happens because he loves to sit on this toilet. But yeah, this is pretty new. We renovated this bathroom not super long ago, and I love these tiles. They're my favorite bathroom tiles ever. When Dennis is on the throne in the morning and I'm in the bath or in the shower, we can wave at each other, which is not at all super weird. All right, we are now gonna show you the most embarrassing room of our house. The shed is the most embarrassing room of the house, which isn't really a room of the house because it's outside the house. But everyone has that room where that just kind of fills up with crap and stuff that you don't know what to do with. Well, we have that room. Help me. You come in that I don't want to bear responsibility for this place on my own. So technically this is our closet because all of our clothes are in here. Like Dennis has his clothes here.
In this corner.
This tiny corner.
And,
and then I have clothes here, here, and here.
And here.
And here. And here. Yeah, it's a problem. So the idea was for this room to be this kind of organized closet where we hang everything and we have proper shelves, but it's also become, we don't have a laundry room in the house. So it's also become like this place where we put like shoes and the vacuum cleaner and like this is an old hammock, like laundry and bags and 2 strollers. I don't even know what to say. Like this room is, let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave and close this door. All right, so from our dining room, okay, I can show you guys my favorite crystals. I have a ginormous amethyst here, a big rose quartz, fluorite, and a malachite with these weird kind of clear quartz pieces embedded into it. It's so awesome. But let's go upstairs. Hi, Kila. Hi. All right, our upstairs looks like this. This is our living room. The ceiling is super high. Here's my favorite painting of Ringo. This is our couch. We spend a very appropriate amount of time here. And this painting my sister Hedda made for me for Christmas last year. It's Pepper, our dog, Hila, Laika, and Ringo, and that's the baby. Isn't that beautiful? Here I have another little altar. I made this actually when I was pregnant with a baby, and our ultrasound picture is right there. All right, this is our outside. I feel like I show this part of our house in social media a lot. We hang out in this hammock all the time. We sit on this couch all the time. It's really windy out here. Of course, we spend a lot of time in this pool. This side of the house is my favorite part of the house. I think it's your favorite part of the house too. She loves it out here. And you can see the ocean over there as well. So we don't have a fence around this pool. We are working on teaching her how to swim super early, but we're never, I mean, she's never out here unsupervised, and we have a fence from the patio over there. All right. This hammock might just be one of my all-time favorite spots. All right, so from outside, we're gonna go upstairs. And I showed this in one of our other videos. I keep most of my mala beads up here. This is a super sacred area. And this is our guest room. Used to be our master bedroom. So we used to sleep in here. This used to be our master bedroom. We still have a crib up here. We had 2 cribs One crib was at the studio. We had a baby room for her there, and one crib, of course, was at home. And we kept a crib here, which turned out to be a really good thing because we have a lot of friends with babies. So when they come visit, they can stay the night and put their baby right there. But I kind of love this room. It's so bright. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is pregnancy photos. That's little loonies in my belly. We have a bathroom in here, of course, too. If any of you guys ever come to visit, this will be the room you get to stay in. The last part of this, I'm gonna show you what it looks like from outside. I try to not show the outside of our house that much because we have had some, I don't wanna say crazy people, but some semi-scary people show up and walk into our house. It's happened before. But the view from up here is amazing. Right, Daddy, do you want to show your favorite room of the house?
Yep.
It's your favorite room, so you have to talk about it.
Yeah. Okay. You want to say something about it maybe? Because you're really good with words and I'm not.
You have words. Okay, so this is our outside apartment. It's kind of, I don't know what it's meant for, but we have this side apartment that Dennis has converted into a man cave / bike room.
To go here, we need to go outside. Go through this door. It always leaks, so we have to have like towels out if it rains. It usually never rains, but it's been raining a lot these days. So this is what it is. So you walk in, you see my triathlon bike hanging on the wall, and then you see my road bike hanging in the other wall, and then we have this machine is where
the magic happens. Is this and our bathroom? That's where the magic happens for you?
Basically. That's a bike simulator that makes you feel when you go up a hill or when it goes from dirt to wooden floor. That's Rachel's bike that I put together for her.
Reluctantly, I did not ask for a bike.
But today you biked and I didn't. On this screen we put the bike program, the virtual bike program, and there the Netflix happened.
What is that? So I like to go on this bike and do all my emails. Like I'll sit here for 45 minutes or an hour and just work through all the stuff on my phone in the morning or in the afternoon. It's a really great way to multitask and get some movement in while getting things done. I love multitasking. It's my favorite thing.
Fliplan.
Fliplan!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Fliplan! That was an actual tour of our house. I feel like that went pretty well considering I have a grumpy baby and a semi-grumpy daddy. We just baked some chocolate cake. We're gonna eat some chocolate cake. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye, Fliplan.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye.
Bye, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We put out new videos every Tuesday.